Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Today we're going to take a close-up look at the new Cozy Bear Boater stamp and coordinating die set. This 4x6 set has 16 images in the stamp set and 17 pieces in the die set. This is just another cute addition to the Cozy Bear line, and I think it's a super fun one for upcoming events like Father's Day. Here's all the images stamped out so you can see what they look like on white cardstock. I love all the fun little extras in the stamp set. And there are coordinating dies to die cut out every single one of the images and sentiments in this set, as you can see here. But there's also one additional die in this set that you can use to die cut an opening for your boat to sit in, and it looks like it's sitting in waves, which I absolutely love. It's this die right here, and we're going to use that right now so you can see how it works. I have a background from my stash, and I'm going to tape this right in the middle and use that to die cut a little opening for my boat to sit in. And you can see how handy this would be for not only this set, but probably lots of others you already have. Now you can see what the images look like, all die cut out and colored as well. For the bear's nose, I used some black Nuvo drops to make it really pop because I also wanted my bear to be black. And here's the finished card with this cute stamp set. You can see I cut another set of waves for my boat, and the first set of waves I tucked one of the little fish in because that's the fish that got away. So here's my completed card, and I have a couple more to show you too to give you further inspiration from this adorable new stamp set. This one has a little shaker on it, and you can see it's a really good stamp set for those who love to fish. Just so cute. And you can coordinate it with some of our other Cozy Bear stamp sets as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back again very soon with more videos, so make sure you check out the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel and Instagram and Facebook too. Happy stamping! Bye!